Hello dear students, welcome back to the class 8. So in the last class we are solving the exercise number that is 2.5. In the exercise number 2.5 we have completed with the first part and the second part, that is first question as well as second question we have completed and we have solved in the previous video. In this video you are going to learn that is some more exercise of exercise number 2.5. In this exercise number 2.5 I am going to solve some of the examples and some more examples are there, you have to solve by yourself. In this I am choosing the first question as, that is third question I am choosing, that is x plus 1 by 1 minus of 8x by 3 is equals to 17 by 6 divided by minus of 5x by 2. So this is your example, that is x plus 7 by 1 minus of 8x by 3 is equals to 17 by 6 minus of 5x by 2. So this is your example. So dear students, so see here how to solve this example. First see in between 1 and 3 the LCM. The LCM is equals to, we have 3, so our LCM is 3 means you have to take the denominator as 3 and this you should multiply the with 3 and this is into 1. Okay, so see here, so this is 3 into x, this is 3x, similarly 3 7s are 21 plus sign as it is, similarly minus of 8x because 8 1s are 8 is equals to, again between 2 and 6 what is the LCM? In between 2 and 6 LCM is 6. So again this is 6 1s are, this is 2 3s are, so this is 2 3s are 6. So again this is 17 1s are 17 minus of 5 3s are 15 ax. Okay dear students, so now see you are going to solve. So I will cut this as 3 1s are and this I will cut this as 3 2s are. So see here dear students, what is the remaining? So 3x minus of 8x. So 8x minus of 3 is minus of 5x plus of 21 whole divided by 1 means nothing but if you write means okay, if don't write means also it's okay, which is equals, we understood that it is divided by 1. Okay, similarly what is remaining? 17 minus of 15x whole divided by 2. Now what you have to do, you have to cross multiply this, means you have to cross multiply this. Your remaining is, this is 2 into, so just you take this 2 this side, if you take this 2 this side, if you multiply, that is 2 into minus of 5x plus of 21 is equals to 17 minus of 15x. Okay, so just now multiply this inside, if you multiply this inside you are getting 5 2s are 10x, plus into minus is minus, so 5 2s are 10 plus of 21 2s are is 42, which is equals to 17 minus of 15x. Okay, now separate x part on the other part, so I will separate here this side. So this is minus 10x, I will write minus 10x as it is. Next what is remaining? So this is minus 15x, I will take to the LHS, it will become as plus 15x, which is equals to, again this is 17, this is 17, I will write as it is, this is plus 42 and goes to that side becomes as minus of 42. So this is 15 minus 10 is 5, by seeing the greater number sign we keep the sign, this is 5x. Similarly 42 minus of 17 you do, 12 minus 7 which is equals to 5, on carry is at a 4 minus of 2 is 25, so means minus 25 getting. So 42 minus 17 is 25, by seeing the greater number sign we keep this sign. So x is equals to your minus 25 by 5. Okay, so again this is 5 1s are 5 5s are, so x is equals to your minus of 5. X is equals to your minus of 5. Okay dear students, first thing is here, x plus 1 by 1 is minus of 8x by 3 is equals to 17 by 6 minus of 5x by 2. First step we have to take the LCM. In between 1 and 3 the LCM is 3, then multiply 1 into 3 and this is 3 into 1. Now multiply numerator with the numerator, so this is 3 into x is 3x, 3 into 7 is plus of 21, so because 3 7s are 21, minus sign as it is, 8 1s are 8, that is 8x. Now divided by 3, in between 6 and 2 what is the LCM? In between 6 and 2 the LCM is 6, so this is 6 1s are 6, this is 2 3s are 6, so 17 1s are 17, minus sign as it is, 5 3s are 15x. Okay dear students, so now see 8x 8 minus 3 which is equals to 5, and this is why, because it has minus 5x, because we have to see the greater number and you have to keep this sign. So this is minus 5x plus of 21 is equals to 17 minus of 15x by 2. Because we cut the denominator, this is 3 ones are, this is 3 twos are, so there is nothing, means you have to write as it is. So see here, this is 17 minus of 15x, 17 minus 15x by 2. So just to multiply 2 LHS, this denominator when goes to the when this denominator 2 goes to the LHS, it becomes as multiplication. This is 2 into minus of 5x plus 21 is equal to 17 minus of 15x. So now see, 5 2s are 10, so minus of 10x plus 21 into 2 is 42 is equals to 17 minus of 15x. So this is minus 10x, this is minus 15x. Just separate the x terms on the LHS part. Okay, so minus 10x plus of 15x, you are getting this as only 5x. And similarly, my 42 minus 17 is getting 25, and by seeing the greater number you have to keep the sign. So x is equals to minus 25 by 5, 5 ones are 5 5s are. So x is equals to, you have, that is minus of 5. Okay dear students, one more example I am going to solve from your exercise, that is a fourth question. And after fourth question, one more example I am going to solve, and some more examples are there, you have to solve by yourself and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. Okay dear students, so fourth question I am going to solve. Fourth question, that is x minus 5 whole divided by 3 is equals to x minus 3. X minus 3 whole divided by 5. Okay, so now see, just to argue in this question, see, x minus 5 divided by 3 is equals to x minus 3 whole divided by 5. So in this step, what you do, you have to cross multiply. So 5 you take in the numerator, that is 5 into x minus 5. Similarly 3 you take to this side, that is 3 into x minus of 3. 3 into x minus 3. See the question, question is correct. X minus 5 by 3 is equals to x minus 3 whole divided by 5. Okay dear students, so just to see, 5 you multiply in this numerator, 3 you multiply in this numerator, and now you multiply inside the bracket. 5 into x is 5x, 5 into 3, 5 5s are 25, minus 25, because plus into minus is minus, which is equals to 3 into x is again 3x, 3 3s are 9, that is minus of 9. Okay dear students, so now see, 5x I will keep as it is. I will separate the x part on the LHS part, so that is 5x, this is 3x, it becomes as minus 3x is equals to minus 9. So this is minus 9 when go to that become plus 25. Okay, so you have 5x minus 3x is equals to 2x, and similarly 25 minus 9. If you do 25 minus 9, getting this as 16. So you are getting this as x is equals to 16 divided by 2. If you do 16 divided by 2, this is 2 ones are, 2 8s are. So x is equals to 8. So therefore you can write x is equals to 8. Okay dear students, please note down this problem. So this is x is equals to 8. So one more example, that is last example I am going to solve from this exercise. Okay dear students, now welcome back to the one more question, that exercise number 2.5. This is the last question I am going to solve, and some more examples are there, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That examples you have to solve by yourself and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. Okay dear students, so see, observe this example. This is 0.25 into 4f minus 3 is equals to 0.05 into 10f minus of 9. So first thing, this is in the form of decimals. If it is in form of decimals, means first I will convert in the form of fraction. That is, I write 0.25 is after 2 decimal point it is. Means you have to write this as 25 by 100. And write this remaining part, that is 4f minus of 3 is equals to, this is 0.05. Means after it is 2 decimal points, means this is 5 divided by 100 into 10f minus of 9. Okay, so next thing you have to multiply the inside. Inside the bracket you have to multiply 25 fours are. So 25 fours are nothing but it is 100. So 100f whole divided by 100 minus of 25 threes are. So it is 75. 75 by 100 is equals to. So again this is 5 tens are 50. 50f by 100 minus of 9 5s are 45 whole divided by 100. Okay, So this I converted. First I multiplied 25 into 4f, then 25 into 3, then 5 by 100 into 10f, then 5 by 100 into 9. So these steps I written. Now see, just a very simple calculation. So this 20, these 20 get cancelled. This is conversion. First make the simplest form. This is 25 3s are, this is 25 4s are. Similarly this 0 0 get cancelled. This is 5 1s are, 5 2s are. Similarly this is 5 20s are, and this is 5 9s are. So just write the remaining part. The remaining part is remaining, that is f minus of 3 by 4 is equals to 1 by 2 of f minus of 9 by 20. So this is remaining part. Now see, just to separate the f part, I will separate the f part on this side. On this part I am going to write the f part. So f is equals to, write as it is, that is f I will divide by 1, f divided by 1 I will write. This is 1 by 2f. When goes to the LHS part, it becomes as minus 1 by 2f, which is equals to minus 9 by 20, write as it is. This is minus 9 by 20, and this is minus 3 by 4. When goes to the RHS, it becomes as plus 3 by 4. Okay, now take the LCM. This is 2, multiply with into 2 into 1. So 2 into f is 2f minus of f into 1 is f is equals to we have, that is LCM is here 20, this is 20 1s are, and this is 4 5s are 20. So 9 1s are 9, minus 9 plus of 3 5s are 15. Okay dear students, so now it is f by 2 is equals to, so this will give 6 by 20. So this is 6 by 20. Now cross multiplication, f is equals to, I will write 6. This is 2 in the form of denominator. When shift to the numerator becomes in the f is equals to, I can write 6 into 2 whole divided by 20. So this is 2 1s are, 2 10s are. 2 1s are, 2 10s are. 6 and 10 are remaining. So this is 2 3s are 6. This is 2 5s are 10. So getting f is equals to, you are getting 3 by 5. You can write the answer as f is equals to 3 by 5, and you may ask the sir what is the answer is, but 0.6. So f is equals to 3 by 5, you convert in the form of decimals. So how to convert in the form of decimals? In the previous class in the 7th standard you have studied how to convert f is equals to 3 by 5. So I will write f 5 I will write as, I will take as divisor, and 3 I will take as dividend. So that is, I take 0 point. If I take in the quotient 0 point, means you have to increase this 0. Okay, so again this is 5 6 are 30. Again 30 minus 30 is 0, means answer is f is equals to, or f is equals to, you can write this as 0.6. You may write in the form of fraction, or you may write in the form of decimals. Okay, but the question they ask in the form of decimals, you write the answer is f is equals to 0.6. If they ask the question in the form of fraction, that is instead of 0.25, they ask the question 25 by 100, means you write the answer in the form of fraction, that is f is equals to 3 by 5. Okay dear students, please note down this problem. It will be very helpful, and this completes your exercise number 2.5.